Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, but the mode does not really matter that much. I also wanted to draw attention to the green lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and go to settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Defaults and tap on Restore. As you can see, we just got back to the camera and the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.